Hello guys, welcome back to this brand new video. Yes guys, we're back in town, we are back in the game, and this time with a brand new video for our video series, how to use chipa-ta. In this video I'm gonna show you about how to use the .reset function. Oh, let me explain you. In the .reset function, it will allow you to well, reset the price. Yes, exactly, my friends. It's gonna allow you to do something that basic. So the first thing we're gonna do is make a function that's gonna be called, a variable called Emma. You know exactly, Emma underscore r, which is gonna be the value of indicator.ma. Yeah, because yes, that's who we are and that's the way it works. Then ma.next, it's gonna have a value of 100 because let me explain. Because then if you take the other thing and you put another candle, which is, let's say the price just went up $1. Okay, that's great. But now let's check, because now the price, it's gonna be 100, 101, and 102. Those are the three prices we've had. But yes, now it's perfect, because now we need to reset it, because let's say those candles are not useful anymore, so we just reset. We just make the reset function, which then you can start adding it more data again and again, and then you can just deal with things like this, just to check if it's back again to 100, because it is, and that's the way it goes. Then if you execute this, yes, my friends, you can see you've successfully reset it, and yes, you've deleted those previous data. I don't know, that's the way it goes. And guys, I am very happy to tell you guys that we're about to get our latest version of the Chipa AI compiler, because guys, yes, right now you can see it's not the best, and stay tuned, we're gonna tell you in the Discord server once it's fully out, because guys, here's the future. And right, for Chipa's worth, my name is Vigo Walker, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.